biscuit, making gravy, making cake, making cookies. Yeah, Storm's Kitchen, ooh, Storm's Kitchen. Welcome to a special edition of Storm's Kitchen. You're here at Talladega Superspeedway. Always a great trip for my brothers and friends and me. And we do a lot of cooking down here. So we're going to show you a little sample of what you get when camping for the weekend at Talladega Superspeedway. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Let's talk about breakfast here at Talladega. You got to have bacon, you know, so we're cooking on the Blackstone. You got to have your presses there, have your tray ready to put that in. Now that's about 3 layers of bacon. There's bacon underneath those napkins. And then we've got our electric skillet going here with our sausage, because while we're going to eat some of that sausage too, I'm going to crumble it up in that gravy. Okay, hey, let's go see Audie. All right, let's check in here on Audie and see if he's got the chocolate gravy going here.
Oh, look at that. Look how rich that is.
My goodness, that's going to be good. Now, we would tell you how to do that one, but that's an ancient family secret, isn't it, Audie?
You can get that. Can't get it. When you can get close, you know, you can almost get recipes online and stuff, but you can't get this. I mean, this is top notch right here.
Okay, the gravy, there's the gravy. What about the biscuits, Audie? Let's see how.
Oh, they're coming along in there. Look at them in there. Got that flame of getting them going.
Well, shut that door, because I'll be wanting to eat them here in a minute. That Alabama sun shining on that gravy. Just another Talladega Superspeedway breakfast. Gravy ready. Come on, folks, and eat. Who's ready? All right, trying to get the chicken wings finished off here. Trying to get them to turn the temperature about 160, 165. Assisting me here on location in Talladega Superspeedway, CJ Lynn. Now we smoke them a little bit. We let them lay on the smoker for a little bit. Then we took them off, went ahead and put them on the grill. Frying them up, get that internal temperature up. Then we're going to put them on the pan and put a little barbecue sauce on them. I tell you what makes cooking on the go nice. I have a little mobile, basically a mobile kitchen set up. Just got this Yukon, got it from Harbor Freight. And as you see, it holds all my utensils. Nice little cabinet down below. 2 drawers. Makes things a lot easy. Packed away, just throws up on the truck. Rolls where you need to go. Makes a perfect portable kitchen. Even has a good top. Cut up everything and prep everything. Alright, cleaning your grill, especially this Blackstone. Don't ever put grill cleaner and all that gunk on it. Alright, make sure it's off. You want to steam it. You don't want to mess up that nice surface. Boom, just a little water. It'll steam clean right off. Be careful, look, I've got the welding gloves on. Boom, boom, boom. Just like so after we've scraped it. We first scraped all the gunk off with the scraper. We just put water on it, scrubbed it with that. Now all we got to do, take the towel, just wipe it off. Now we don't mess with that good seasoned
top right there, again, I would never put grill cleaner on my grills. No need for it. Nice. Boom. Now, a little oil. Spray on that bad boy. More paper towels. That's it on there. Nice. That's it. That's how you clean your grill. Don't put no grill cleaner on it. And continuing with tonight's meal, Anthony Hammond. Going along with those chicken wings, deep fried French fries here. The wedges. I don't know. I may have to try one of them. Oh, just right. It's just right. And this is supper for Friday night at Talladega Superspeedway, cooking on location in Storm's Kitchen. Just like Vince said in an earlier video, he talked about his wings. The key to it is fresh wings, never frozen. These bad boys. Now the sauce we use down here today, we're away from home, obviously here in Alabama, and we just use the regular store-bought barbecue sauce on these. That'll get us through. Nice French fries. Gonna make a nice little evening meal. CJ, tell you what he's doing here real quick.
Well, we've taken our butts out, got our smoke going. As you can see, smoke's rolling over there on the little bitty Pit Boss tailgater. We have now started working our butts up and getting them ready to put on. We've placed our mustard on, and then we're going to put our rub on and then wrap them in aluminum foil, just so we can get them done a little bit quicker today, because we don't want to sit here and watch them cook for 18 hours if we had to. So we want to get them done a little quicker, so we're going to wrap them in aluminum foil and get them on and have some good supper about 6 o'clock.
And there we go, 2 big Boston butts getting ready to come off. We're going to let them rest a minute and then we'll pull them. We'll have pulled pork for tonight. Maybe even eat some brisket too. That's good. When it's about to fall apart on its own, boys, it's ready.
Got juice in that, boys. Look at that. Won't get much better than that.
Get the old bear claws out. I didn't bring my handy dandy little drill this time, but just pull that right there.
That money muscle there. That money muscle would have been good right there, all cut up, wouldn't it? Whoa.
That's good. Supper tonight.
There we go. Pulled pork, baked beans, some fries. Here at Talladega. Yum, yum, yum.
And here's Sunday night's meal. Here on location, Talladega Superspeedway. Got them ribeye steaks. Some of them have been marinated. A couple of them have not. Now, these are thick, so this is all about timing them. I won't go into detail on exactly how much time, because everybody likes their steak different. So whether you want it to be medium rare, medium well done, whatever, it's all about a timing thing. But here I will tell you the key is you need to get that grill as hot as you can get it.
Sunday night meal here at Talladega Superspeedway. Steak, fries, wedges, baked beans, and even got a little Cajun dish there. Thanks for joining us here at Talladega Superspeedway as we're on the road cooking with Storm's Kitchen.
Storm's Kitchen, Storm's Kitchen, making biscuits, making gravy, making cake, making cookies.